Hi, I'm Alvin from Singapore. I'm 23 and I met Ellen at a mastermind last year, July at Lithuania, where she gave a talk about how she started her e-commerce business and how she scaled it up to 7 figures. Yeah, I've been doing e-commerce for a while right now, but mostly drop shipping, where the margins are pretty low. You don't really get much control of the products, your customers. Yeah, and that was the main reason on why I was very interested to work with Ellen and transition from drop shipping to building my own brand. And I thought that the talk that Ellen gave was very informative on how she built her business, how she worked her back end, and which I wasn't very familiar with. Yeah, so fast forward we started this brand about 6 months ago. Yeah, and I think last month we did about 15,000 or so, 15 to 20,000. I think just shy of 20,000 a month. Yeah, and we're looking to scale this further with my team and also slowly expand our team, which is taking a lot longer than I thought it's gonna be. Yeah, I would highly recommend Ellen to anyone who is interested in building your own brand or just e-commerce in general. I think she provides a really good platform. There's not a lot of fluff, straight to the point. And I think one thing that I really like about her is that she gives you a lot of one-on-one time and also a community where you can connect with other people on the same journey, so you don't feel lonely, which I think a lot of entrepreneurs who start out, it can be quite lonely. Yeah, so yeah, I would highly recommend it to anyone who is keen on this.